We're getting some breaking news. Landmark verdict by the top court. Supreme Court reinstates two MP judges. Women civil court judges have been reinstated by the Supreme Court, and it's a big win for gender equality. Termination of 6 women judges set aside. And remember, earlier, MP High Court reinstated 4 judges. The key observations by Justice B.V. Nagaratna include wish men experience menstruation, don't say women are slow, termination on stigmatic grounds, and pregnancy, miscarriage are no grounds for termination. Termination was done as a punishment. Reinstatement effective retrospectively. Supreme Court has also said that loss of monetary benefits will be calculated and reinstatement will be done without the loss of seniority. For more context, my colleague Harish is now joining us. Harish, over to you.
Yes, please show some sensitivity when it comes to women judges. This is what the Supreme Court clearly told the Madhya Pradesh High Court, on whose order the government had terminated 2 women judges. The Supreme Court says termination was in form of a punishment. Reasons cited like pregnancy, miscarriage, COVID cannot be basis of termination. And Supreme Court has ordered the reinstation within 15 days. And after pronouncing the judgment, Justice B.V. Nagaratna, who significantly goes on to become India's first woman Chief Justice in 2027, said, "You must talk to women judicial officers. They take medicines to kill pain on certain days of the month so that they can sit from morning till night in the court. You must show sensitivity." This judgment gave us an opportunity to explain how women judicial officers should be treated. I remember during an earlier hearing, too, Supreme Court had criticized the criteria used for the dismissal. I remarked that men would understand the situation if they experience menstruation. So this is the message. Please show some sensitivity as the Supreme Court set aside the termination of 2 women civil judges by Madhya Pradesh government in June 2023 on orders of the State High Court. Originally, 6 women judges were terminated, but following Supreme Court's wrap, 4 of them were reinstated, 2 were not. That the Supreme Court has done today. Supreme Court said the 2 are eligible to rejoin and date of probation shall be when the juniors were confirmed. Monetary benefit of the said period shall be calculated notionally for the purpose. And also, the Supreme Court said that several cases it seen that termination was in the form of punishment, stigmatic. Several reasons cited cannot be based on termination. One, diagnosis of cancer. So it declared all these contrary to settled principles of law. The High Court report does not show consistent poor performance of judges and it speaks otherwise. There is inherent contradictions in ACR. As far as other material is concerned, it was complete either pending or instituted against them. We have held that opportunity had to be given before termination. So these are the grounds of saying which the Supreme Court has reinstated these 2 women officers. Back to you.
All right, Harish, thank you so much for getting us all those details on this landmark verdict by the Apex Court on the reinstatement of 2 MP judges. With that, we're now shifting our focus